be good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Sunday reset video. Happy Sunday. I hope you all had a great weekend and I hope you have an amazing upcoming week. I love doing these videos. Sunday is definitely the day where I get ready, like I do like a reset, and I make sure that I have things done that help me be productive and less stress for the week coming up. So last week I showed you how I like clean up and everything after having sick kiddos. This week, today, I'm going to be doing my like Sunday pamper routine. And this is something I want to start doing like every Sunday because it just makes me feel better throughout the week. So let me show you all what I do. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you do, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, and let's get on it. Okay, I have the camera propped up on something I have on the mirror, so I'm hoping it doesn't fall. But I'm gonna pull my hair back, and Matt and I just went out to breakfast with a few of his friends. That was lots of fun. And Hunter gets back from his dad's house in like half an hour. I have a daycare kiddo out there watching some TV. So I'm gonna do this super fast. And then we're gonna take a nap. So that's definitely needed. So I am going to do a little bit of self-tanner. And this looks really kind of gnarly, but I really like this kind. This is the Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity, the bronzing water gel, and you don't have to rinse this off. You can put it on and it says a golden glow in just 3 hours. I want to put this on now because I don't want to sleep with this. I'm going to change the sheets after nap time just because this does have a smell to it. And I don't want to have that on my sheets like the rest of the week because I do change my sheets sometimes twice a week, but I'm trying to just do once every week, so on Sundays. And I have my mitts, so I'm going to apply that just on areas where obviously I see having a little bit of tanner on and a little bit of color makes me just in a little bit of a like a glow, just makes me feel, I don't know how to explain it. It makes me feel a lot better. Like, obviously, I'm undressing and you're not going to be able to see that. It makes me, I don't know how to explain it. It just makes me, when I look in the mirror and I see the glow, I just like the way it looks. So, I'm going to get my mitt, put some of this on there, some of this gel on there, and I don't know what that was. And I'm just going to do kind of the basic parts where I want some color. I'm going to avoid my new tattoo. Yeah, I'm going to do this and I'll be right back. Okay, so self-tanner has been on for a few hours. We had a really good nap with Hunter. Daycare kiddo is gone, and I am going to wipe this makeup off that I've had on all day. I'm going to go in with the Pharmacy, I really like this stuff, the Pharmacy Cherry Clean Makeup Melting Cleanser. And I just get a big old hunk of this and just rub it all over my face, anywhere I put makeup, and this just melts your makeup away, and it's amazing. I'm gonna do this, and then I have been using like the off version of like the makeup erasers. I just get this wet and then wipe my face with it, and it takes off all my makeup. I love it so freaking much. And I feel like it's, you know, definitely way more eco-friendly than using makeup wipes. You will still see me use some makeup wipes because I do have some in my, you know, I still have some that I gotta use up. But I'm not like actively like buying it. Yes, Bubba.
Can I eat it now? I'm not.
Yes, give me just 1 second.
Why are your eyes closed?
Don't wipe my makeup off. You want to say hi to everyone? Sure.
Hi. Yeah, it's too low down. I mean, high up.
There you go.
Hi. I have these 2 bracelets.
Yeah, show them your bracelets.
So I have this one, which is permanent jewelry.
Yeah, him and I went and got permanent jewelry.
I have that. Then I have this, which Grandma got this one for me. But it's not permanent jewelry. It's this tie.
Very pretty though, huh?
Yeah. It has a pattern.
Yeah. Tell them how you've been doing with school and stuff.
Good. Pair places fading, blah, blah, blah.
It is, but we're going to do a really cool color soon. Maybe we can make a video of that too, okay?
I think it's green. I think it's Garida.
Yeah.
Garida. Ra-ida. I think that was planned.
So I'm just wiping my makeup off, and then I'm going to do a face mask.
Bleh.
Cutie. Yes, Hunter, you can go have dessert.
Okay, I'm going to go pick mine, okay?
Okay, I'm going to finish wiping my makeup off, and then I'll show y'all what face mask that I put on. Okay, so I just remembered that I am going to actually tint my eyebrows. I just took out my eyebrow rings, and I'm going to do this because I do, if you guys haven't seen the previous video, well, it's been like 3 years now, but I got my eyebrows ombre on, like tattooed on, and they are fading in a few spots. I am going to go and get them redone, but not till after I do I'm going to be doing 100 days of no spending soon. So for now, I'm going to go in with the Ardell Brow Tint, and I really like this stuff. I'll show you real quick what my eyebrows look like before. So this is what they look like before, and then show y'all what they look like afterward. So I'm going to listen to music, apply this, and then I'll show y'all what they look like. All right, before the week starts, I like to sit down and make sure I have my work schedule all sorted out, when I plan on working out, what Matt and I plan on doing, what Hunter and I plan on doing, and this just really helps me stay organized. I love this huge calendar. I'm pretty sure I got this from Walmart, but this is a great way. Like I said, I'm a very visual person, so if I have everything written down, it just helps me stay organized and productive throughout the week. All right, time to wipe them off, and I just go in with the makeup removing cloth again and just gently wipe away that dye. I did have a black one that I used for my eyelashes before, and it made my eyebrows super, super dark. I didn't mind once it faded, but right like when I did it the first few days, it was just like very overpowering. I do feel like my brows look a lot better than what they did before, so I'll show you what they look like. So I still have some areas obviously that are, you can tell that are a bit like sparse, I guess you'd say. Not sparse, but you know, where the tattoo needs to be touched up, but they're a bit darker, look a bit fuller, and I do feel like they look a lot better. Before I hop in the shower, I do want to do a face mask. So I'm going to go in the Teamy, I think that's how you say it, Matcha Lemongrass Clay Detox Mask Green Tea Blend. And I've used this once before, really liked it. And I do have a little spatula, but I couldn't find it. So I'm just going to use my fingers. And put this all over, and then once it's ready for me to take this off, I'm going to hop in the shower and rinse it off that way. And then just do my normal, I'm not washing my hair today because I washed my dreads not too long ago, my hair and my dreads, and I already shaved my legs earlier today before I applied the tanning self-tanner. And yeah, so a very simple shower, just wash my body, shave my underarms, shave my bikini area, and wash my face. Like I said, I think I said wash my body. So, yeah. Pretty easy pamper day today. I will show y'all in another video a more, like a, what do you call that? Like a pamper day. What I like to do to really, really pamper myself, that I like to do like a few times a month. I usually do it once a month, but I want to start doing it more often. So self-care is so important. So I'm going to let this sit on my face for a bit. I'm pretty sure it recommends for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then I will shower it off. Alright, so I showered the self-tanner off. I'm done with the face mask. I love the way my face feels. I'm going to go in with a Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I love this stuff. Just spray it all over my face. Then I'm going to, while that sits, going to hydrate my skin. I'm going to put some of the tattoo goo, I think that's what it's called, on my new tattoo. And then my sleeve. And then I'm going to put all over the rest of my body. I'm going to go ahead and just put some of the Curel Ultra Healing. I like doing this like after I self-tan and shave for the day. So I'm not quite sure if you can see, but I do have a really pretty glow color I got. It's hard to see in this lighting. But we moisturized and everything. Now it is time to change the bed sheets. I'm gonna do that. And then it's bedtime. All right, that is the end of this video. I wanted to say thank you so much for all your support. I know there are tons of silent viewers here. Hey, if you ever want to say hi in the comments, just comment hi. It would mean so much to me. But even you just watching and you don't want to comment is totally fine too. I will see y'all in my next video.